How to post 60-second story on Instagram. So first thing to do is to check if your Instagram app is updated. This is a new feature, so make sure to have your application up to date. Go to App Store, search Instagram, and make sure that this says open, not update. Once your app is updated, go open Instagram, swipe left or tap on your story, go to your gallery to choose your 1 minute or 60-second video. And as you can see, the video is not getting cut into different clips. Once we upload this, it will be a one story only. But if you don't have this feature after updating, go to your profile tab, click on the three lines on the top right corner, go to settings, proceed to help, click on report a problem, and simply let Instagram know that you still don't have this specific feature. After some time, Instagram should reply and address your issue. So this is how you post 60-second story on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.